Let's take a look at how we can help ourselves get better at image consistency. So I mentioned before about using ChatGPT or similar to refine the prompt. So a typical rambly prompts that I might be really after some help. So I've said here, what image prompt should I use if I want to generate something that has a consistently bright and fresh and yellow aspect and has a subtle lemon theme or a lemon featured somewhere in a distinctive modern cartoon style? So that's kind of my rambly words that I just put straight into Gamma before. But let's see if we ask for help what ChatGPT suggests we did instead. So it's saying the prompt it would suggest we use. It's just still generating it. Let's give it a moment longer. So it says here, a vibrant and modern cartoon-style illustration with a fresh, bright yellow aesthetic. The scene features a clean and stylish composition with a soft, glowing light effect. A subtle lemon theme is incorporated, either through a whole lemon, a slice, or a lemon patterned object. The background is smooth and minimalistic, enhancing the modern feel. The illustration should have crisp lines, bold but soft shading, and a slightly playful yet elegant design. The overall mood is cheerful, refreshing, and energetic, evoking a sense of zest and positivity. That definitely sounds better than what I put in. So let's see what a difference that will make when we put it back into Gamma. So let's go back into our themes, edit our yellow theme, and click on images. So I copied and pasted the response that ChatGPT gave me. I'm going to overwrite what I'd said before with that and click Save Theme. And again now, if we test it, and let's create a new one again. Let's use the same text that we used to give it a fair test. So let me go back and get that text. Put that in there. We're creating social posts, portraits, continue. Using our yellow theme. And let's click generate and see the difference that that will make to the images for us. Let's go back up and have a look. It's just thinking through this. And I can see, I really like these actually. I think they're subtler than the fact that I had said it should always feature a lemon or words to that effect. Whereas ChatGPT suggested that it could be a theme or it could be a motif. So I think the words that it picked, because it understood what I was trying to convey and helped me come up with a better way to say it, which is what it is really good at doing, has come up with a slightly different result and one that I think is actually better. The other thing that I did do, I also asked Claude and what it suggested, and it used words like design style similar to, and then it came up with a name I hadn't heard of, Kurzgesagt Animation Studio. And it also said things like Memphis style design elements, clean lines with white space and light pastels. So it suggested different elements to include there. So I would suggest just brainstorming in either ChatGPT or Claude what you're trying to convey, like I did straight into Gamma and then realized it didn't work quite well, and ask it, how can I make this prompt better? And you'll see that the tools are really good at interpreting what you were trying to say. And what often happens is it'll give you an example, but it'll say at the bottom, is this closer to what you wanted? If not, tell me what isn't working. So it might be that you say, I've never heard of that animation studio. But now you've said that, I really like the effect of the film Studio Ghibli, for example. So anytime that you have that conversation back and forth with the tool, it will then understand better what you were trying to convey in the first place and come up with some words to help you achieve that in as shorter way as possible. So I definitely recommend thinking about your way of saying what you're trying to do and then have that conversation with ChatGPT or Claude, and it will help you get better at what you were trying to do there. But I actually really do like that look. So if I did have a brand with, the word lemon in it somewhere, or, that was an identity I was trying to come up with, I think that looks really good. And you can see with just a little bit of customization, you can come up with a style that you're happy with, and then you can really easily and quickly generate new carousels for your social media posts